everybody, welcome to another video from Old Guy Outdoors. Today we're going to talk about my new hatchet. We bought a Schrade Hatchet. It's made of composite, steel blade, nice rubber handle, nylon carry pouch with a belt attachment. I'm not crazy that the belt attachment's only for a left-handed side. I'm not crazy about that, but if you attach it to your backpack or something like that, not an issue. It opens up simply. Well, let me show you this real quick. Right here is a snap to keep it from sliding out when you're carrying it, but so that if you push the axe down in and it's, well, see, it's not snapping good. There it goes. I was just doing it wrong. Okay, so it snapped. That's great, the axe can't come out. But now when you try to get it out, you pop that snap and the axe doesn't fall out because it's hitting on those snaps. So you have to pull it open and pull it out. Now, if you're holding it like I am, it's not an issue. But if it's on your hip or on your backpack where you're trying to grab it off without taking your backpack off, that's an issue. So anyway, I don't like that part about it. What I do like about it is this wraps around and has a cord to carry it, I guess, a hole there for that. I don't know what else it would be for. The blade wasn't the sharpest when I bought it. I kind of expected it to be, but I'm working it slow but sure. So nice axe. It's got the axe head and then the hammer point with a knurl on it, and then in the butt of the handle. Hey, before we go any further with this video, please do me a big favor. Share our videos, thumbs up, and subscribe and hit that bell notification. Here we go. It's got a Furon rod, which I think is way cool. And it's held in there by these little rubber grip pieces that fit into the handle. Yeah. And then you just push it in like that. Now, supposedly, yeah, it's not coming out. I'm bouncing it around pretty good. But you got to kind of pop it pretty good to get it out. So I'm not sure how long this will be before this breaks down and just falls out. But right now, new, it's a great idea. You can hear it pop. So that's another problem. I like how it's got finger grips in there and they're not really profound to where you have to have them in there, but they do give you that little extra support. Nice little hatchet overall. I approve of it. It seems fairly light. I mean, it's not cumbersome. It's great for just putting together some kindling or trimming something, or, you know, it's a handy little tool. Hammering in stakes. I believe we're going to put this back in here the best we can. I believe if you weren't doing too much, you could even do it in its case. You could tap some stakes in or something, but this nylon webbing in the back will eventually break through, so I wouldn't advise it. But got a nice pouch, riveted and sewn, double stitched. Yep. Nice axe overall. We bought this at Sportsman's for about 70 bucks, I believe it was, or something like that. But pretty good axe. Broke our other one, so now we got a new one. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching our video. Please like and share our videos. And hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so you can know when our next videos come out. And until next time, remember, life's a gift. Get outdoors. See you now. Bye.